Hey guys, welcome back to Tech and Auto, and I'm Aditya. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and giving the first look of the brand new Honda 7C. So let's go! So guys, this is the Honda 7C retail packaging. On the front of the box, you get Honda 7C written as well as on the sides. On the bottom of the box, you get the IMEI codes. And on the top of the box, you get the phone specifications as well as on the back. On the back side of the phone, you have the price written as 12,999. So let's open the box. As soon as you open the box, you get the mobile piece. Now let's place it aside. Below the mobile phone, you get the SIM ejector tool as well as some documentations. So this is the warranty card and the quick start guide. The warranty of this phone is 1 year for the phone and 6 months for the box content. And you get the power brick, which is 5 volts 2 amp power brick. And you get some IMEI stickers of this phone. And you also get a USB cable, which is USB type B cable. So let us place this on the side and go to phone. So this phone gets a front glass and the body is aluminium. So on the behind of the phone you get dual cameras. One is 13 megapixel primary camera and another one is a 2 MP depth sensor. Both are 2.2 aperture. And you also get a single color LED flash, and this is a secondary noise cancellation microphone. And down here is the fingerprint sensor, and you also get an face unlock feature with this phone. This phone has a 3000 mAh of battery. On the front of the phone you get a 5.99 inches of display and it is an 18:9 aspect ratio. On the chin of the phone you get the Honor branding. On the top you get an 8 megapixel camera with the front speaker as well as an LED flash. On the top there is nothing. On the right side of the phone you get the volume rockers as well as a power button. On the left side of the phone you get the SIM card slot, which can hold up to 2 nano SIMs and a micro SD card which is expandable up to 256 GB, and the SIM cards are dual 4G standby. And on the bottom of the phone you get the 3.5mm audio jack as well as a USB type B cable and a main microphone with the speakers. The screen resolution of this phone is 720p, and this phone weighs about 164 grams and it is slim enough. So guys, let me come back to you after booting this phone. So guys, this phone is booted right now. It works on Huawei's EMUI 8.0 platform and the Android version is Oreo. This phone is built with Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 chipset and at the clock speed of up to 1.8 GHz octa-core processor. It also got a firmware update as soon as I booted this device. So now coming to its applications. It also has got an healthcare application, ride mode application as well as an SOS emergency application, which is good. And it also got an Messenger, Instagram, Netflix, Facebook applications pre-installed. And it also had some bloatware applications pre-installed which I had to uninstall it. And out of 32 GB of internal storage you get approximately 21.37 of storage free, and its fingerprint sensor also works pretty well. It unlocks just with a tap. So guys, now going to its camera. In camera it has different types of mode: photo mode, video mode, HDR, panorama and filters. And in photo mode you could enable face beauty and disable it also, and you could also change the resolution. And in video mode you could record up to 1080p at 30 frames per second. And in filters you have 9 types of filters, and each filter could be toggled by its filter level. So guys, this is a sample video from the Honor 7X. Guys, now let's go to the settings. In settings, you also have smart assistants. And now in the system, let's go to about phone. And as you can see over here, the Android security patch is of 1st March 2018. I hope Honor gives an update soon. And this is the today's system update. It has got a new APK of Honor Club and a new feature called as party mode, and some bugs were fixed. So guys, this was the unboxing and giving the first look for the Honor 7C. So guys, I hope you liked my video of the unboxing and giving the first look of the brand new Honor 7C. So guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm Aditya Prasad from Tech and Auto signing off.